Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today I got some bad news for you. So it seems that YouTube API services will be affected by a change starting from 28th July 2020. So if you are registered in Google API, you probably got this email today, and it states that starting from 28th July, all the API projects that will be created after this date will require a review to publish YouTube videos live on YouTube. So if you create a project after 28th July 2020 and you upload videos using that project to YouTube, then your videos will be listed as private. So you will not be able to publish videos publicly on YouTube with projects that will be not reviewed on and accepted by YouTube. So if you create a project after this date, you will need to undergo an audit. I will link in this video's description the audit link, so it will be this link. So I will link this in this video's description. So if you are in the situation that you need to create an audit for your app, you can go in the video's description and ask for permission to upload videos publicly on YouTube using the app that you created after 20th July 2020. So guys, the thing is that you need to go into YouTube console right now, so YouTube API dashboard, and create some apps. If you don't have apps, let's go and create apps, because if you need to create some YouTube apps after the date of 20th July 2020, they will be limited and they will not be able to upload videos publicly on YouTube. If you wish to use the API to upload publicly on YouTube, you can use the YouTube-O-Matic plugin, because it is able to upload videos that are embedded in the post content. So you have some pre-recorded videos and you wish to upload them automatically to YouTube, then you can use this plugin and it will also automatically upload the videos found in the published post content to YouTube. You can also embed links of other YouTube videos or other Vimeo videos or other Dailymotion videos and automatically upload them to your YouTube channel. This is a great feature. So I will link this plugin also in this video's description. Go ahead and check it out. So this is what you need to learn from this video, that after 20th July 2020, the new apps that are created after this date will be limited. So guys, go ahead and create new apps in your Google API console to prevent the need to get more apps after this date. So yeah, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because I release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT. So thank you for staying until the end of this video. Have a great day, stay safe, over and out, bye bye.